Hello, welcome back to my channel, Charlie's Lessons. In this video, we'll take a look at how we can change the owner of a file in Google Drive. So to start, we're going to go to the Google Apps Launcher and go to Drive. We're then going to navigate to the document we'd like to change the owner of. Right click, go to Share and Share again. Then you'll need to input the email address of the person you'd like to share this document with, and finally change the owner to. Once you've done this and the person appears at the bottom here, go to this drop down menu and go down to Transfer Ownership. When you select this, it will come up with the confirmation to send the invitation. The person who you've sent the request to should receive an email asking them to accept or decline this invitation to own the file. Once they accept, the file will now appear as owned by this person. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to change ownership of a file in Google Drive. I'll see you in the next video.